While Glances can be added as a browser extension for cross-app functionality, it can also be added directly into SugarCRM as a Dashlet. Here's how. First, we're going to navigate to Sugar Admin and click on Content Security Policy under the System heading. Next, under Trusted Domains, we're just going to go ahead and add Glances, just like it appears here. Then click Save. Now we can add Glances in any of our Dashlets across Sugar. So to do that, we would just simply go to a record where we want to add our Dashlet. I'm going to go ahead and go to a lead. You'll click to add a Dashlet like you usually would with any other Dashlet. And we're going to add the web page Dashlet down here. I'm going to title it Glances. And for my URL, I'm going to put m.glances.com and then click Save. And I recommend moving it further up so that you can see it first thing and resizing it a smidge. Now I have this available to me at any time. Here I am at a contact. With Glances as my Dashlet, I can search for data across my workplace apps. For Jill here, I can view Zendesk tickets she sent to our team, marketing campaigns she's received, and invoices she's sent. For any app, I can click into it for more information, so if I want more details about Zendesk tickets, for example, I can go ahead and view all the tickets here, or click into it to see more information about that specific ticket. Maybe I want to see the status, or the original question. I can also see the conversation back and forth between her and our support agent. Or maybe I want to take a look at that QuickBooks data. Quickly navigate down to list of QuickBooks invoices and go ahead and click on it, and now I can see all of the invoices that she sent. If I want to see more information about this particular one, I just click on it and I can see that data here. These views are customizable depending on the data that you need to see. And if at any time you want to navigate directly to this invoice within QuickBooks, you can use that using the link icon up here. When I need to take action, that's available too. Simply scroll to the top and click on our Actions menu. Here you can see that I can create a new estimate or send a new payment. I can do all of it with the Actions menu based on the apps that I've connected. The actions here are pre-built based on the apps you connect, so you don't have to spend hours setting things up or telling Glances what to do. With my daily Glances, I can also see things like my assigned tasks, tickets, or calendar events. Again, they have the same view, so I can click into them for more information or navigate to them directly if I need to. This Dashlet is available anywhere that Dashlets are allowed in Sugar, so maybe I want to see that my daily Glances at the beginning of my workday. I can simply add it here on my dashboard. This data is live, and it keeps me working in Sugar, so I don't have to keep multiple tabs open or spend endless clicks trying to take action in another app. You can connect all of your favorite work apps, from Asana to Xero and all the apps in between. It's time to ditch app hopping, and Glances is the ultimate productivity booster for your SugarCRM experience.